In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch organization in Lark. If you collaborate with different teams or clients, you might be part of more than one organization in Lark. Switching lets you move between those workspaces so you see the right chats, docs, and meetings for the group you're working with. It's quick, and the steps are nearly identical on both phone and computer. First, open the Lark app on your phone or on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to the account that has access to the organizations you use. Once Lark loads, you're looking for the place where your account details live, because that's where the organization switcher sits. Next, tap your profile icon or the More Accounts icon. This might appear as your profile picture, your initials, or an Accounts button, typically in a corner of the screen or within the account menu. If you don't see it right away, look for your avatar or a small person-shaped icon. On desktop, you can also check the Account or Profile menu to find the same option. Tapping it opens a panel that lists the organizations connected to your account. Now, select Organization. You'll see a list of the organizations you belong to. Each entry is the workspace for a specific team or company. If you only see one, that means your account currently belongs to just a single org. If you expect more, verify that you've joined them first using the invite method shared with you, such as an invite link, an email invite, a QR code, or a join code. Once those memberships are in place, they'll show up here automatically. Tap the organization name you want to switch to. As soon as you do, Lark will load that organization's workspace. You'll know you're in the right place when the organization name appears in the interface, and your chats, docs, and calendar reflect that team's content. Give it a moment if your network is slow. Once loaded, everything you see is scoped to that org. A quick reminder while you work. Each organization's chats, docs, and settings are separate. That means messages you send in one org won't appear in another. Your pinned chats can differ, and notification preferences may not carry over. Before you start a conversation or share a file, it's a good habit to glance at the organization name so you're posting in the right space. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to your profile or More Accounts, choose the organization, and tap its name to switch. You're ready to move smoothly between workspaces whenever you need.